Alright guys, welcome back. I'm just going to give you a little cheeky video about the mill where I get my firewood from. Sorry about it. It's raining a bit. The lads just said I can take some footage of inside and what he does and what they're doing. He's just cutting some slab wood or something like that. So anyway, bring you in and show you what's going on. It's a bit loud, so it might go down a bit. So you can see there, there's some nailed wheels that'll pull it through. And a big bandsaw starts making this slab wood. It's used for things like siding. Looks like half-inch thick. What's that used for then, Mick? Blackboard, yeah. Siding and things like that?
Yeah. This is small stuff.
Yeah.
That's a bit better.
Yeah.
Just to get some of that off the rubble.
Yeah. So it's all still live edge as well. So this bark will come off real nice. You want the bark off because that's where your wood starts to rot more with bark. So yes, so once you take that bark off, it'll be a nice siding board, that. It'll be a nice live edge. So you've got another bandsaw, another circular bladed saw. It's massive. Fair size. This one's a roller table. This is what they bring the logs in there. The logs out on the table there. They're coming on here, and the carriage just slides up and down, backwards and forwards on these nice wood rollers. That'll be a nice one. That's a nice one, yeah. Yeah, step back in time really in here. I mean, all this gear will probably be well kept, you know, resharpened, reground and everything else like that. They must be able to take these ones out, you know, they're being like a cam. This bit rotates out and you can take that tooth out and replace it. I'm sure it'll be the same on that one as well. Am I right in thinking that them teeth can be brought out? They can be twisted out, can't they? So they can regrind them or replace them?
Take them out.
Yeah.
American, you can take them out.
Yeah. Is it the same with that blade as well, or can that only be ground up? Yeah. So they can be replaced as well.
You can replace them once you've sharpened them.
Yeah. Here's an old blade.
Flange comes out.
Yeah.
That's an old tool.
Alright.
How small it is.
Yeah. Oh, so that...
Now there's a tool.
Yeah, that you can...
bring that out.
Yeah.
And that would slip in there.
Yeah, right.
And it's an old blade, he didn't want in.
Yeah, no.
That's what would happen.
Right.
Yeah.
And they're more beneficial than over the, like, you know, the old style where you have to regrind, like you don't.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And that slides up and down, doesn't it? It's like, wait, back and forward. There you go. Yeah. And how old would you say this was, Mick?
This bench will be 8-year-old.
80-year-old, and it's still going strong.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you very much, Mick. And we'll see you again next time.
Yeah.
Take care, buddy. So there you have it, guys. That's the oh, I've come out with a different entrance. That's the sawmill that I deal with. Absolutely cracking fella. I wish I could work in there all day myself. Obviously with some hearing protection. But yeah, I love out like that. I love watching it on YouTube, and I love being around here when he's got it going. Honestly, the smell is absolutely divine. People say it smells like Christmas. Yeah, it probably does actually. A lot of pine in there. Scotch pine. Got a load of fence posts there. They're untreated on the right. They're treated on the left, just behind that big oak. And yeah, it does all them here. And yeah, it has its own creosote bath as well, so it just yuck a load in and get them soaked proper style, not like this scrimpy scrapey stuff that you get from big box stores like B&Q, or if you're in America, Lowe's, Home Depot, things like that. You know that they are absolutely well bathed, well bathed in the creosote. And I tell you how much well bathed they are. These are bathed in it as well, and the water just beads off. It doesn't soak, it either beads or pulls. You can see it just on the edge there. Just, where am I? Oop, somewhere over there. So that's the look at the mill that I deal with Mick. He's again a cracking fella, and just wish I could get some more time in there. If anybody's interested in more footage of the process in there, I will kindly ask him, see if he'll allow me to come and record some stuff when he's got the bench on the go, because that really is a good sight to see that working. What he's got going there, he had the bandsaw just doing some siding, some like shiplap sort of stuff, well, live edge stuff. So but yeah, if you want any more of this, I'll love it too. We'll try and get down and ask him to try and get some footage of it. So yeah, it was only meant to be a quick one, but obviously I wanted to get some footage in there of that. So thanks very much as ever, guys. Stay safe, and if you ever have any questions or whatnot, please comment and we'll get something sorted. Bear with me on the digger, on the Mini X that I bought from China through Alibaba. I am going through video with it. It's taking a while for it. What I'm wanting to do is have people's questions come in before I finish up and everything. So so yeah, as soon as I've got that sorted, we're going to get it published, get it out there, and then you guys can hopefully watch, learn, understand. If you don't understand still, ask me. We'll get some more information sent to you, you know, or another video or something like that. But yeah, I mean, the machine's running fantastic, and yeah, it's a good investment. So thanks very much, guys, and we'll catch you all later. Bye for now.